everyone, I'm kateschwanke and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys enjoyed that first part of the video where I showed you how this bag fits on the body and all the different ways that you can wear it. As you saw, you can wear it 4 different ways. This is the Lily Jade Elizabeth in this amazing gray color, and right now Lily Jade has this bag for $105 off on their website, and that sale only lasts for a few more days, so definitely click the link down below and head right over to their website after this video and you guys can snag this bag on sale. So today, as I showed you already, an on the body video, and then I'm going to be doing a review and packing video as well. Now the Lily Jade Elizabeth is like my favorite Lily Jade bag style, you guys. I absolutely adore this style, and this color on this bag is just beautiful. And I thought when it first came out that this color was great for fall and winter, but I have been using it for summer so far and I love it. It's so neutral that it goes with everything. So first I'm gonna go over the outside of the bag and some of the features, and then we're going to jump onto the inside for the packing portion of the video. So on the outside of the bag here, you have these 2 squishy, super comfortable tote straps, and the drop length is amazing. This fits right up under your arm perfectly. In the front here, you have a nice deep pocket that goes all the way from about here to here, and it has a magnetic snap closure. On the front of the bag here, you have 2 magnetic snap closure pockets as well, with these adorable little buckles on the front. I love the details on the Elizabeth, you guys. That's probably one of the main reasons I love this bag, is just that it is so classy looking and timeless. And then you have this gorgeous tassel, which is one of my favorite things about the Lily Jade bags. I think that is such a super cute touch. On the sides of the bag, you have 2 good sized bottle pockets. You can fit swell bottles in here, Contigo, sippy cups, baby bottles, all kinds of good things in the sides. On the very back here, you have your backpack straps, which are detachable, so you could just use this if you want. A lot of times I'll just detach it from the bottoms and then put it into the back pocket here so that I can just reattach them whenever I want. And you can also use this strap over the shoulder and crossbody as well. And as I just showed you guys, there is another identical pocket on the back here to the one on the front. So you have another magnetic snap closure, and then you have a nice large pocket on the back here. So those are the features on the outside of the Lily Jade Elizabeth. So let's go ahead and go through all the pockets and see how I have it packed up. So today I actually have it packed up for all 3 of my kids. It's just me right now with the 3 of them, and summer has started. So they go with me everywhere now. So mostly for my older 2 boys, I just carry snacks and things. And for the baby, I'm still carrying diapers and wipes and things like that. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with the side bottle pockets. Over here, I just have my 9-ounce swell bottle in the opal color, and I thought this color looks so great with the gray Lily Jade, as well as that beautiful jade lining. It's so pretty. So this is just a water for me. On the other side here, I have another cup. This is just a little cup for my 2-year-old. We always have to carry around water for him because he gets thirsty fast. That's all that I have in those pockets on the sides. In the front pockets here, I just keep a couple of things for myself. You can fit a lot more in here than I have, but you guys know I'm minimalist, so I don't feel like I need to pack every single pocket to make this work for me. So here we go. I just have my keys down in there, and I've paired it with Whimsical Whisper from Jujubee, and I thought that print looks so cute with this particular bag. So that's all that I had in this front pocket here. On this pocket here, I just have my wallet, which is my Be Charged by Jujubee. It is super small and compact, and I love it. So that's all that I have in there, but you can definitely fit small set pieces, lots of other things in these pockets. But I just like to put things that I grab for really often in here, so my keys and my wallet are definitely those 2 things. Let's go through this front pocket. As I mentioned, this pocket actually has a magnetic snap. This pocket works great for papers, receipts, anything that is thin. So I actually put a couple smaller, thinner things in here today. So I have my phone, which is an 8 Plus, and this fits perfectly up and down in this pocket here. And then I also have next to that my planner. This is a Happy Planner in a small size, like the personal size one. So this, I tend to take the pages out as I go along, so I've only got like May through November or December in here. I think, yeah, May through December in here, so it's a lot thinner than normal, but it fits really great in that pocket. You cannot use the magnetic snap with all that stuff in there, but it's just easier to grab it out if you need to. So that is all that I had in this front pocket, but it's nice and deep, and I love it there. So let's go ahead onto the back real quick. As I said, there is an identical pocket to that front one here. I don't actually have anything in it, but I did want to show you guys what it looks like. So that is your back pocket. I suggest if you're going to put something back there that maybe it's a change pad or something squishy, because it is against your back. And if you put something hard in there, it'll be uncomfortable. So just keep that in mind. So this is what the top of the Elizabeth looks like. It is super pretty. You have the 2 straps, and then you have a nice long zipper with the tail all the way over here, and you have your D-rings on the sides. So you have a nice smooth zipper opening. And that is how I have it packed up inside right now. As you can see, you have the diaper bag insert, which you can choose to remove and use it without the insert, or you can use it with the insert. And in this video, I have the insert fully packed. So I'm just gonna go through each pocket real quick. You guys, this color is so pretty. It's, as you know, one of my favorite colors ever. So it's one of the reasons that I love Lily Jade so much. So let's go through all the pockets. I'm gonna start with the pockets on the other sides of the bag. So you have 2 slip pockets here that are decent size. You could put wipes and diapers in these types of pockets. On the sides here, you have a pocket as well. That's really good size. And then you have another 2 pockets that are the same size there, and then 1 more on the edge. So you have 2 pockets, 2 pockets, 1 pocket, and 1 pocket on the outside of the insert. I don't have anything in the 2 back pockets because, once again, that is the pocket that's on your back, and I feel like if I put something in here, it better be squishy, otherwise it might be uncomfortable. So I usually leave those 2 alone, but I do pack up the front ones. So I have my sunglasses here, which are a daily necessity for me. I have very sensitive eyes. And then I have a small set piece over here, and this just has things that I need on a daily basis as well. So I just have some hand cream, I have some lip gloss, a folding hairbrush, a hair tie, and a mirror down in there, and some chapstick. That's all I had in the front 2 pockets. On the side pocket here, I just have snacks for my boys. So I have a little Horizon milk here, and this is for my little guy, my 2-year-old. On the opposite side here, I have a couple juices for my older 2s. So I have 2 Apple and Eve fruit punch juices. And then that is it as far as what I have on the outside of the insert. So let's go ahead through the internal insert pocket. So over here, I have 2 size 5 diapers. They fit just fine down in there. I also have a baggie dispenser here. In the pocket right next to it, I have a wipe pouch 30 with some wipes in it. I also have a little throwaway change pad. This insert actually does come with its own change pad, and this is what it looks like. It has a fastener here. It's super nice, you guys, and it's padded, and it's that beautiful jade color. So that usually goes into one of the side pockets, but I don't tend to use these too often anymore because my little guy is 2 years old and he's just getting too big for that. But it does come with that, and it's a great changing pad. Also in this pocket, I have a Jujube wet bag. I think this is the Be Dry. It comes with the Be Equipped, but it's a little bit of a smaller wet bag. So I like to always have one of those on me just in case. So let's go through the rest of the pockets. There are 2 elastic pockets on the inside of the insert. You have one over here and one over here. So in there I have a little sunblock for my boys because it's summertime. We are getting out in the sun a lot and we need to have this on hand. I don't have anything in the other pocket over here. And there is also a little slip pocket here and an additional zippered pocket right here, which I don't have anything in either. So all that's left to go through is the middle part of the bag here. So I have a Jujube large set piece in Whimsical Whisper. And I just have snacks and things in here. So I have an Earth's Best fruit pouch for my little guy, 2 of those Go-Go squeezes for my older 2. And I also have some granola bars and things. So this is what I brought for everybody. This one's for me because I like to have little snacks when I'm out and about too. I've got a couple Z bars for my older 2, and then one of these peanut butter biscuits for my little guy. Next to that, I have a Jujube medium set piece in Whimsical Whisper. And in here, I just have a change of clothes for my little guy. So I have socks, a shirt rolled up, and also a little pair of pants, just in case. And that is all that I have in this bag, you guys, but I wanted to show you this is what the insert looks like. It's easy to remove. So that is what it looks like on that side. Those are the side pockets. This is the back. It's identical on both sides. And then you have, that is the inside. And if you don't want to use that, you can totally use this bag without an insert. You can fit in larger things like a fuel cell, Lily Jade's large packing cases, and things like that. And you can just fill this bag up and it becomes one of those Mary Poppins types of bags. So this is such an awesome bag, you guys. Like I said, the Elizabeth is my favorite Lily Jade style. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. And if you did, please give it a big thumbs up and definitely subscribe while you're here if you're new. Don't forget this bag is currently on sale, so go check it out on the Lily Jade website, which I have linked down below for you. If you want to shop anything that you've seen in this video, I will link it down below in the description. And I'd love if you guys would follow me on my social media. I'll put it right over here for you guys so you can go check it out. Thanks for watching!